Welcome guys to Finance 254, your number one online channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And in today's video, I will be introducing you to Windows 11 Snap Layout. Windows 11 Snap Layout, and which is this feature. If I happen to open like my File Explorer, let me just open my File Explorer, and this is my File Explorer, and it's maximized. If you just click here, if you just bring your mouse here or your cursor here, and this is what you call Windows 11 Snap Layout. You can be able to partition your screen and be able to multitask or navigate between different pages without having to cross one page or without having to move from one page to the other. You just need to press, you can put to press your to work on your pages side by side. For example, I can just press my File Explorer just right there. Then I can just take another page like this one. Then I can just press it side by side with the File Explorer. I can be able to multitask, work on my File Explorer at the same time I'm working on my Chrome. That is how simply, that is the main role of Windows 11 Snap Layout. And at times you may need to disable this feature or enable this feature. How do you go about it? All you need to do, you just need to click this Windows 11 icon here. Then from there you click Settings and go to System. You go to System, give it a few seconds. You go to System, this is System. Then the moment you just click System, you go to Multitasking. The Snap Layout feature in Windows 11 enables you to multitask between different pages. You can go to press the pages side by side. You can go to partition your screen up to 4 layouts. For example, I can just try to press three layouts. You can just, like for example this one, I can use this feature, for example, because I'm assuming that this is the one that I'm using most. I can just press this one here, then this one I can just press it there. Then from there I can able to work on all the 3 layouts. I can able to work on the 3 layouts at the File Explorer, the settings, and my Chrome. All you can also press them like for example, I can just press them like that and press a third and be able to press a third layout here. Then you can be able to work on all the 4 layouts at the same time without having to cross one page and go to the next. That is the main lore of Windows 11 Snap Layout feature. It enables you to navigate between different pages. How do you enable this feature? It said you just need to click the Windows icon, go to Settings, then from Settings you go to System, then from System go to Multitasking. Then when you just open Multitasking, you just find in there now the Windows 11 Snap feature. You can enable. Right now mine is already enabled. When you're disabling this feature, you just need to click here and the feature now is disabled. And if you can just bring your cursor here, you can see that the feature is not activated. So once you activate this feature, you just need to click here and enable. Then from there, once you bring your mouse there, you can see now the feature is back live now. There are also some other features on the snap window that you can be able to enable or disable. For example, you have this feature. When I snap a window, show what can snap next on it. For example, you can see that if, for example, if I just snap this, you can see I have some suggestions here on what I can go to snap next, and I can just click one, and I just everything is done for me. If you can disable this feature, and when you disable this feature now, you will not have any suggestion on what you can snap next. We also have another feature here, show snap layout when I hover over a window, maximize button. Yeah. Then we have some other features like show snap layout that the app is part of when I hover. These are just, you can either disable or enable these features depending on how you are using your laptop or your desktop. And that is simply how you can be able to enable and disable the snap window layout feature in Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Finance 254. Goodbye.